Okay guys, so I apologize for this video not having an intro. The problem is that my camera died before I was able to film an intro, and even my outro you guys are gonna see at the end that I wasn't able to finish it because the camera died and I was in a hurry, so I wasn't able to charge my camera and film the intro and outro. So I apologize for that again, and just let's get back to the video. I hope you guys enjoy it. To start off, I'm gonna be using this shade right here, which is called Play It Cool. And I'm gonna start applying that on my crease. Some of you guys in a little. Again, that's gonna be my transition shade. I decided to go for a more easy and neutral look because this is going to be my first video featuring this eyeshadow palette, and I want you guys to see that it doesn't matter if this eyeshadow palette has so many pop of color, you can still do a neutral bronzy kind of look. There's our transition. Next, I'm gonna be applying the shade Peachy Queen, which is this one. And I'm gonna apply that exactly where I apply Play It Cool, just to darken it up a little bit more. Alright, so next I'm gonna be using the shade Talk Dirty, which is this shade right here. And I'm gonna apply that in my outer V first, and then I'll work it inwards. I want the dark color to focus on the outer V first. Alright, next I'm gonna apply the shade Sparks Fly, which is this dark kind of, it's a brown but with like a reddish undertone. So I'm gonna apply that in my crease. This is gonna go right on the crease. And now we're gonna move to the shimmer shades, and I'm gonna start with the shade Hot Stuff. But they wrote it differently, but it's Hot Stuff. So I'm gonna use this shade right here, and I'm gonna apply it with my finger. I'm gonna apply it wherever there's no shadow and all over my lid. And don't worry if it's messy at first, we're gonna blend it out later. And now I'm gonna use this shade Hot to Try, which is this one right here. It's the one that it's below the first shimmer that we applied. That one is like a more dark brown kind of shimmer. So we're gonna apply that on top. applying it with my finger because I don't want like very sharp kind of look. I don't want it to look like a cut crease. I just want it to look just bronzy, you know. Next, I'm gonna use the shade Light of the Party, which is the lightest shade in the palette. It's this one right here. I'm just gonna apply this to lighten a little bit the eye on the lid. Just a tiny bit. I don't want this to look, you know, perfect. I just want it to look bronzy and cute. Now I'm gonna take this flat brush and I'm gonna dip into the Black Magic, which is the last shade on the palette. And I'm gonna apply that on my upper lash line. Like this. Okay, so we're done with the eyes for now. I'm gonna apply my telescopic mascara. I'm still not sure if I'm going to do falsies. To moisturize my under eye area, I'm gonna be using this e.l.f. Illuminating Eye Cream. Looks like this. Got it at Target. I've been using it every single day whenever I wake up and whenever I go to bed. And if I'm gonna apply makeup, I apply a little extra because I don't want my under eye to be dry. Next, for the rest of my face, I'm going to be using the Simple Water Boost. This is supposed to be a sleeping cream, but I'm still going to use it because I like how this feels on my skin. Start applying my Cover FX Blurring Primer. You guys know I love this stuff. I'm gonna apply it right here. You guys, I'm multitasking. I'm filming for you guys and I'm cooking at the same time. That is just crazy, right? I'm gonna apply a little bit over here because I have residue of a pimple right there. And I have a little one right here. I'm gonna apply it here in my smile lines. That's what it's called, I believe so. And a little bit right here. Because, you know. And now to lock everything in, all the moisturizers and my primer, I'm gonna apply the NYX Dewy Finish Setting Spray. Just a little bit. And that will be pretty much enough. Now, Now I'm gonna use my Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation. You guys know the drill. This is my favorite at the moment. The shade is bronzy beige. So for concealer, I'm gonna apply the ColourPop No Filter concealer in the shade Light 16. It looks like this. Looks nice. So next, I'm going to apply my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Cafe. I'm gonna move on to set my face, and I'm going to be using this Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contouring Palette in the shade Dulce de Leche. And I'm gonna set everything with this. So next I'm gonna use the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Press Powder in the shade Warm Light. And I'm gonna use this powder for the rest of the face. To bronze my face, I'm going to be using my Hoola bronzer. For my blush, I'm going to be using the Laura Geller Big Blush in the shade Blush and Brighten. Wait, no. In the shade Tropic Hues. That's the shade. And now for my inner corner highlight and my brow bone highlight, I'm going to use the shade Light of the Party. And now before I apply my highlight and my bottom mascara, I'm going to set my face again with the NYX Dewy Finish Setting Spray. So everything melts down. So for my highlight, I'm going to be using today the Master Chrome by Maybelline in the shade Molten Gold. Is this one? Just gonna dab it a little bit because I don't want a crazy glow today. And just one, you know, a subtle one, if you can call that subtle. You know, to my nose. There you go. For my bottom lashes, I'm gonna use again the telescopic mascara from Maybelline. This one. I'm not gonna apply falsies. I like this look the way it is. To be honest, guys, I never use false lashes, only for the videos. So I'm gonna wear them today. The lighting is changing, I'm so sorry. Because it's going to be golden hour in here. So first I'm gonna be using my Rose Crush lip liner from Jordana, and then I'm gonna apply Rock and Rose. Actually, I'm gonna apply Rock and Rose first. And now I'm going to use my finger to blend them in. And now on top, I'm gonna be applying the Ultra Gloss Lip Drippin'. It's the Shyla and Colourpop collab. So I got really glittery lip gloss, and I'm gonna apply it to the center. So yes, guys, that complete this look right here using my Morphe 35M Bus Mood palette. This is the new one. I totally love it, for at least for the shades that I use today. Stay tuned for me incorporating that palette more often in my channel, using the different colors that it has, because I feel that those colors are amazing for fall. So yeah, this is more of a wearable everyday look that you guys can, you know, incorporate to your routine. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave.